We are at Roosevelt Stadium at our new field house, and we are actually standing in the concession area right now. Behind me, you'll see the structures for the locker room, the spirit shop, the athletic training area, and many other areas down the length of the field house. But we are very excited to show you and to share this with you ahead of time. And what a great opportunity for our community, our students, and families to have this wonderful field house here at Roosevelt Stadium. We are standing in the one area of the locker room. You'll see this doorway, which will have a rolling garage door closure, and it will then lead into the next locker room over here. So really these two locker room spaces can be used for several sports, not just in the fall, but also in the spring. We are standing here in the athletic training room, which is located between locker rooms. But over here we have windows that they can see the activities going on. Also provide care for students who might be injured or need some additional help in icing in this area. We are actually standing in the concession stand at the field house. You'll see the windows behind me that will have roll-up metal closures. And then as you work your way around, there's a spirit shop over here with the same kind of window. And then on this side, we have our ticket booth. This is something that our volunteers have never really had available to them. We are very excited to have this opportunity for everyone.